PIDGINENGLISH.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV Ogbonge Pidgin English news for this week. Me when one nakuna the tori this week, na be una country brother again, Stanley Okocha. The name not the change. Our first story this week, they come all the way from Italy, where one Nigeria guy don't come out. They complain, say the way the Italian people come, they isolate them for inside house, go they buy some kind things when they don't understand, come they give them, say they don't know. They talk and shit like that, say the kind things when the Italian people they buy come, as they go take them, it go come be like say their throats go come they pain them. No be my mouth you go hear all. Make you see our video. I beg, show us the video.
People are beg for Europe, my black, I beg, my fellow black. Make una use una sense, I beg. Because these white people so they very say we know they get this virus. I beg, this will not be joking matter. I beg. They come our camp, they test us, they say we get the virus. Just imagine. See where they go back home yesterday. So it's not garlic, lime, and ginger. Yeah, they so. See the white person back home yesterday. So
for this we send them again.
I beg. Muna look at. I sent it there. So but see waiting.
This will not be joke matter.
This one, so I grant this one.
Give us like me. They won't take.
I grant this one yesterday. Drink like that. Since I take drink, I dey feel pain for my throat. I dey feel pain for my chest, my neck. I beg. See that person back come now. See that person back come now. Lime, ginger and garlic. The same thing this one. I beg, I beg. Make una use na brain. I beg. Make na send am. Make na share am.
They buy for now. If it not be for Africa shop, I beg. Mona not carry these people that they work hand to hand. They feel go make deal with their own people. Make they sell all these things.
Because why? We know get virus now.
Nah. So
they come our camp.
Look this one.
They infect us with the virus.
I beg. We see color. This one. If this theater pay belle, not be dead.
This is so bad. Me myself, I drink yesterday.
I beg. All black when they Italy, they Europe. I beg. Gonna use sense. If the quarantine una for house, I beg. Una know the things that they said they buy for una. If it not be for Africa shop, those things where they seal, may not keep the open. Una not buy with take chop even their juice.
I beg, the white love they get for us now, fake love they get for us. I beg.
Better life.
I beg. Muna share. This not the joke. This not the joke. I beg.
Take our life.
This something so I drink and I don't like to drink and I beg. See, no. I dey feel pain for my chest. I dey feel pain for my throat. If anything happen to me, I go still do the video. If anything happen to me, I still do the video. Muna remember this video. Muna remember this video. I beg. Muna share.
If you be black man for Europe at all, the thing when it dey be say the white men they wonder say COVID-19 have been a coronavirus, no they catch black man. That be the truth. So I beg make una dey careful. I dey beg una. We no want to lose our brothers and sisters. We no say na also na go also for that side. I beg make una dey careful. I beg if this one then be the first time when you take the watch our video like this, I beg make you not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV and make you hammer your hand for the notification button so that once we throw videos like this wey concern our news, you go always dey receive am. Now do well Odabo as you rabbi for the talker.
DJM TV.